what's up, you guys? I'm in Brenna's house right now. Just hanging out. Because we're doing stuff today. So we are deciding whether or not to go to the Humane Society or to the conservation area. Go.
Don't get me in it. Tails.
Tails.
No, actually that's a head.
It's
a head. It's a head.
Okay, so there's one for the conservation area. It's best 2 of 3.
Am I in the shot?
No.
Okay, good. Heads. Conservation area.
Okay, conservation area. So here we are at Laurel Creek Conservation Area. Brenna's been trying tirelessly to capture a frog, to no avail. Now, I myself am not a great frog catcher, so I haven't really tried. She mostly caught toads, if you didn't hear her camera. So yeah, I have to go pee in a bush now because I'm but what if there's poison ivy? Not what we have, but what we enjoy.
Go right there.
Andre. Okay. Man versus nature. Oh, fuck. Almost.
It's on a stick.
Jump in. Oh, he's gone. Big boy's gone. Also, there are some geese over there blocking our path with ducklings that or gooselings. What are they? That keep...
Are they goslings?
Yeah, goslings. That keep hissing at us if we try to go that way. Brennan just missed another frog.
There's a leopard frog.
Leopard frog.
Bastards.
Those slippery bastards.
The bull boys that just keep not wearing a proper footwear.
Oh, there's one right there and he's facing the right way. Careful, careful.
Hell
approach.
yeah.
Don't say things like that. Do you see him?
Yes.
Oh boy.
Opportunity. This is a skinny one. It's going to be nimble. But I am quicker.
That's what you want to think. Brenna, you literally had it.
Stop. It's hard. I only had one hand.
I know.
You have to have 2 and cups.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's the maneuver. Proper frog catching maneuver.
Anyways, it's been a very lovely hour that we've been out here. It's rained a little bit. Oh my god, it's right there. It's still there.
My feet are getting wet. I would step in this pond if I had problems.
I don't think we're going to be able to leave here until Brenna has caught one. She is seething. There's also a children's birthday party going on here.
They're toasting marshmallows.
That's nice. Stop it. Shake. Wasn't God's plan for you to catch a frog today. Back over the door. Lots of bullfrog action. There's a crazy girl trying to capture us. Brenna Mervin.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Well,
it was right by my foot.
It's a lot of things. Okay, this will be a very big battle coming up.
Can you put like battle music over it?
Us versus geese. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Where are the babies? Where'd they go?
The babies are behind them. Battle time. Yep. And stay there. Thank you, geesers.
I wish we could have gotten when they were hissing at us.
Yeah, that was scary.
That one's very.
And that concludes my video for today. Brenna had to go home because she has a lot of work to do, and I am going to my sister's dance recital, which is awesome. But we have about, oh my god, people are watching me film myself. We have like 2 weeks left of school, so